Hi, I'm Barbara Coward. Bienvenue à Paris, and Notre Dame is right behind me. If you remember, some years ago, there was a bad fire that destroyed part of the building, but it has been rebuilt, as you can see, and it is more beautiful than ever before. And the reason why I wanted to film here is because you might feel like there's been somewhat of a fire or something in your resume or your transcript, somewhere in your past. But I want you to take faith that it can be rebuilt, right? So if you are applying to an MBA program and there's something that's not great that happened, something terrible that happened in your past, don't be discouraged, right? Take inspiration from Notre Dame, which has been rebuilt, and it's more beautiful than ever before. So you can still show your value proposition and your beauty of your application, your experience to the admissions committee. Oui, c'est va? Okay. Merci. À bientôt.